Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Swing channel. Now we are going to make beautiful rose flower from the satin ribbon. For that I am taking the satin ribbon which is having the width 2.5 centimeters and length 40 centimeters. Now take the long needle. Now insert the needle into the ribbon as shown here. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. And take more length if you want more number of petals. When you reaches the end of the ribbon, flip the needle as shown in the video, where eye of the needle facing towards us. Now trim out the corner part of the ribbon as shown here. Now give a heat touch up to prevent the raw threads. Now insert the ribbon into the needle as shown here. To get the rose shape, rotate the needle. Now pull down the needle downwards until sharp edge of the ribbon comes out. Now trim out the extra ribbon as shown here and give heat touch up. If you observe, this rose flower is very easy to make. Now beautiful rose flower is ready to use. If you like our video, please like it. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.